Hello everyone, welcome back to QA Vault. In this video, we will focus on one of the most important concepts in ISTQB Foundation Level. Why is testing necessary? This topic comes under Chapter 1, Fundamentals of Testing. Testing is a form of quality control that helps achieve agreed test objectives within defined scope, time, quality, and budget constraints. It ensures that the product meets expectations without unnecessary risks. Testing should not be limited only to the test team. Any stakeholder involved in the project can use testing skills to help bring the project closer to success. Quality is a shared responsibility. Testing software components, systems, and related work products such as documentation helps identify defects early. Early defect detection reduces risks and prevents costly issues later. This section is further divided into subtopics: testing's contributions to success, testing and quality assurance, and error, defect, failure, and root cause. In this video, we will first concentrate on testing's contributions to success and understand how testing helps projects achieve quality and success. Testing provides a cost-effective way of detecting defects. Once defects are identified, they can be fixed through debugging, which is a non-testing activity. This indirectly improves the overall quality of the test object. Testing allows direct evaluation of software quality at different phases of the software development lifecycle. These quality measures help management decide whether the project is ready to move to the next phase. Test results play an important role in major project decisions, such as release decisions. Testing helps stakeholders understand risks and decide whether the software is ready for production. Testing provides users with indirect representation in the development process. Testers ensure that user needs are understood and considered throughout the development lifecycle. Involving real users throughout development is often expensive and not always possible. Testers act as user representatives and help validate that the system meets user expectations. In many cases, testing is mandatory to meet contractual, legal, or regulatory requirements. Proper testing helps organizations comply with industry standards and avoid legal issues. To summarize, testing is necessary to improve quality, reduce risks, support decision-making, and meet business and legal needs. This makes testing a critical activity for project success. In the next video, we'll deep dive into difference between testing and quality assurance. Thanks for watching.